woman been coming in and out of here for hours. She's just stealing. She'll pay for any of her beverages.
You do want her trespassed?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am? Hi. Sorry, I didn't get your information.
You have a name?
Officer Silva from Sarasota Police Department.
Can I see your birth certificate and your social security number?
No.
Are you going to ask me for mine?
Ma'am, you're being currently at this time trespassed. You understand that, right? What's your name? Can we talk about this? Do you want to have a conversation with me?
Don't put your hands on me. You have no right to. And what if I was a mute? What if I was deaf?
Whoa.
Why are you taking your gloves out? Do you see how I have to disarm this man right now?
I'm just trying to have a conversation.
Out of me as a human being. That would be abuse to the core.
I'm just trying to have a conversation.
You can get a headshot from the building behind you.
What's the problem?
Excessive talking is a sign of abuse.
Right now,
they just want you to leave.
You just want me to leave. Just like you shot me the up and I had every fake name tag violating me in my court. I still taught you to the court. And I'm still giving you the tools back so that you don't kill your selves. Can you stop disrespecting my son to the court? Why is he not going to rip your face off?
Hey, why are we...
Why don't I have to not worry that my own son is going to go through a traumatic psychotic breakdown? Why would I not think that my own son can gut you to the court and you never be like that or harm me like that in your life? Do you think this is funny because I can regulate this as a human being, that you're not watching a real human experience and I could kill you? I could drain all of you right now when you have weapons on you. And my son could still come in here and ravage their cores. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Do you want to die now? Or do you want to die right now? Would you want to stick a gun so deep in my motherfucking mouth with my hands locked out on this ground? Are you built like that?
I think they just want
You're abusing the out of me. And I'm not out of control. And I wouldn't need a hospital. And I can rearrange your homes. You can't even have them anymore. I told you they're going to give them back. I own them all.
You can leave and go to the hospital. Your choice.
I don't need to go to the hospital.
No.
I need to get real human rest. And if somebody doesn't understand what the is going on right now, how many more times can I do this lens right in front of your face? You're exterminating my family.
who are you talking to?
I'm going to talk to you. You want me to stop talking?
No, I'm asking
because everybody who knows me from the fabric of existence knows if I stop talking, somebody's going to get hurt. If you put your hands on me, I'm going to break your jaw. Are you prepared to shoot me in my...
You know her?
I come here every morning.
You better come and lock it.
You know her name?
I don't know her name. I buy them coffee every morning. She has psychological problems, obviously serious. She doesn't talk. She never speaks.
Okay.
But she's totally harmless.
You don't know her name, first name?
No, I don't. She never speaks. She never says a word. I've never spoken to her. I come here every morning. I buy them coffee, all the homeless here. But she's always been a mute. She doesn't speak. She doesn't say anything. So she's letting it all out today? I guess she's non-threatening, totally non-threatening.
Do you want to die right now?
I've never seen her act like this. She usually just sits there and mumbles to herself. Is she doing anything? It's very odd. I'm sure she is.
I'm gonna take all this with us.
Everybody on this block, you stupid.
Everything's okay. Here, come on.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
You're bad to your fucking court.
I think this is gonna have to be a big correction.
Absolutely.
Get out of my bag before I break your face. Stop touching my son.
If you can have a conversation with her,
We just relax, dude.
at least have him try to calm her down. But I was this close to tasing her.
It's a little wacky.
Chase her around.
That's the most I've ever said to her since I've been here helping her. So it's out of my hands. I don't know.
Any idea?
No. I thought she would have calmed down, talking maybe to a female.
Nope, I don't think that was going to be the solution. I couldn't even get a word in, and I'm not going to scream to communicate, so...
I felt so bad, and I wanted to ask you permission if I can give her some money.
I can't tell you what to do, but I highly don't think it's a good idea.
No?
Just going to feed the problem.
I think by doing that, you're rewarding her attitude, you know what I mean?
Or she's going to go buy alcohol.
She doesn't.
All right.
Thank you.
She's not responded to me not one time.
I appreciate it, though.
I think she's just a little crazy. But she's here every single day, every morning. That's why I'm here, because I come here every morning, and I see them all here. So I buy the coffee, because they always ask. Not her, but the guys. But she's never asked for anything, and I think she's pretty harmless. but she's crazy, so
Appreciate you trying.
yeah.
Good effort. Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
The suspect now sits on a curb of the next door property. Officers decide to speak with her further to attempt to give her bag back and give her help if she accepts it.
Have you calmed down now? You just can't come back on this property. You want your bag back? I'm a little worried about you. I've never seen you before. I don't know you, so I'm a little concerned. Are you okay? Well, we can't help you if you don't tell us what's going on. But I do like this version of you better.
Phil, your rating mileage?
Nothing?
30, 97.
A smile is good. Can we help you with anything? Do you understand you can't go back on this property? You do? Oh, you don't? I'm pretty sure if you stay here, they're going to call next. So what are we going to do? Negotiate her?
I can tell you're upset and frustrated. Do you think we can help you out? Maybe take you to the hospital, get you some food there?
Do you want me to take you to the hospital? You would never make it to a hospital. You want me to send you to your mother's doorstep in a box, stupid?
I'm just trying to help you.
Corner to send you to your mother's house in a fucking box. Because I can open this up now and show you how to use that gun, stupid.
Well, we didn't get far, did we?
There's no guns in there. Dead bodies in there.
I knew that smile wasn't genuine. It wasn't anything other than...
It was evil.
It was an evil smile.
I don't think she likes me.
She doesn't like you. Every time you speak, she gets violent.
She hates you, and then she directs it towards me, and I'm like, I'm confused.
I thought I was saying the right things, but...
She's gonna force our hand.
Yep. We can't be doing this all day. You want your stuff?
Give me my stuff.
You want your stuff?
Are you issuing me with taser? 'Cause I already
You're flexing on me right
I
now.
already did this.
I've been trying to have a conversation with you.
But she could have shot me right in the throat with taser.
My suggestion is do not force it into where you get into the street. At that point, that's not worth it. Do not. If you're getting close to the street, don't even bother.
Yeah.
I don't care about her attitude and how she is, but I care about us.
What do you think, mace or taser? You guys are big on mace stuff.
I think once we get our hands on her, she's not gonna be too bad to handle.
No.
One of us is gonna have to get her from behind. Distraction.
Because otherwise, she'll definitely try to throw hands, I think.
You have to medicate her.
I'll break his f***ing jaw. If I ever call my son talking about food and water.
She's squirrely. You can't keep her...
I know, she's just... Usually people are much more stationary.
I'm gonna try and flank her.
Where is my stuff?
Stop kicking! Get down to the ground! Put your hands behind your back!
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back! Stop kicking! Stop resisting! Put your hands behind your back!
Stop. Kick me in the face. Enough.
Still abusing and hurting me. Do you see this? They're still hurting me. And I'm not resisting arrest.
Stop
They're
resisting!
They're punching
Stop
me. They're kicking me,
resisting.
trying to break my bones.
Put your hands behind your back! Right now!
Stevie, they're gonna kill your son. They're killing him right now. I'm telling you this, Stevie. They're killing your son.
You got this one?
They're gonna break my arm. You're not stopping.
Stop resisting!
You're gonna make me George Floyd. I can't breathe. I have bone cancer and I probably have it in my lungs. Stop. And I'm dehydrated. And my bones are breaking and I have bone cancer.
Sit up.
And my family has been abused to the core and we were all killed.
Psychopath. Stop.
Roll it towards me.
One tall 60 and one white female 10-15.
Stop resisting.
Break my arms off. Go ahead. Stop them. Keep facing. Go ahead. They did this to me already. I'm multiple linguist. You did not.
I got it.
Stop resisting.
You're gonna kill me. It's over. We're gonna die together. You're breaking my bones. You're hurting my vessels and core. And I'm already dying.
Keep it up.
You're ripping my fucking tendon.
All right, are you going to stop resisting?
You're breaking my tendons in my shoulder.
Are you going to stop resisting?
They're already broken. Who's tearing?
All right.
Told you.
Stop resisting then.
We get her in. I'll pull her through and you can hold her legs.
Got me in the face, I'm pretty sure.
She's out of her mind.
Any spray, any taser, just hands? She have any injuries?
No, but she kicked Laura in the face.
Thought I tasted blood, but
Probably
I
did.
mean, you're kind of like,
that's where she got. I felt it like here.
hi, are you okay? I have to ask, I'm the sergeant on duty. Are you okay?
If I don't get my fucking back and you don't get these fucking cuffs off of me, your family's gonna rearrange your family. Get these fucking cuffs off of me and get my fucking property right now.
First of all, you're not going to threaten me?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, this isn't a threat. I've been abused to my core. by your fake departments right now.
You're gonna be
Are you
charged
cops?
with-
Well, because my whole family is the real government, so I'm confused on what you're doing.
You have a great day.
We were gonna make her actor, but
Now it's battery on a Leo. They can work that out. No, she just threatened me. She just says, you better get these cuffs off me or your family's going to be gone. So,
She's adjustable.
are you okay?
I can feel it like
Yeah, she is.
lumped on the inside.
So I would probably go to the clinic. And I'm just saying that because you're swelling. You look like you have a big chew in your mouth.
And I do not chew.
I know. So.
I just spit and I didn't see any blood. Well, why don't
So-
I help transport? Once she's in and confined, then I go to the clinic.
Hi, ma'am. Can I just get your information? Thank you.
As long as you don't give it to her, because she seemed a little crazy. Is she crazy?
No, it's not gonna. You didn't see the little
I did. I
wrestling
was
match
like,
back there?
"What?" You
She
seen
had
her?
a lot to say to me, so.
I know, I heard her. I was like, dang.
But Melanie, thank you so much. Sorry, could I bother you with for a cup of water? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can just help yourself.
Just grab anything. All right, thank you.
In this encounter, the woman is charged with assaulting an officer and resisting arrest, but she's presumed innocent until a court rules otherwise. Street policing often overlaps with mental health. Delusions, paranoia, or mania can drive rapid speech and efforts to control the pace, while officers must keep order, a subtle tug-of-war over tempo. The core challenge is judgment. Misreading a crisis as manipulation risks moral failure and public blowback. Easing control when it's needed can endanger others and the individual. In reality, officers often have seconds and scraps of information, and their choices can be life-shaping. A steadier playbook is to make life safety non-negotiable, lead with de-escalation and stabilization, bring in crisis and medical support, use force sparingly, and keep communication clear with thorough documentation for transparent, evidence-based review. This acknowledges uncertainty and gives workable guardrails for rapid, on-scene decisions.